Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Claps. Hey y'all, it's YOUU TV back with another video. As you all see in that title, I will be doing a weekly beauty maintenance video. Today it is currently Thursday, October 6th, and it is 10:34 a.m. Pretty early. I will be getting this video fully started tomorrow, which will be Friday, October 7th. I will be applying my own nails, which I saw in the two previous videos, the French tip nails, and also I'll be doing my own pedicure, basically like a self-care video, just glowing up for the new week, glowing up for the new month. October just started. Happy October, you guys. Let me know in the comments what is your goals for this new month and also this new fall season. It is officially fall. It's time to get into the holiday spirit. Halloween's coming up, even though I don't celebrate that much. Thanksgiving's coming up and also Christmas. So just let me know, you know, your new goals for this month. Also, I'll be getting my hair done. I will be letting go of this pink wig tier. Not really. I was getting sick and tired. It is getting out of season and now it's time to have hair that is in season. Pink, I feel that's more like a summerish wig. So yes, tonight I will be taking my hair out and also I'll be washing my hair, but I will not be showing that. I'll just show when my hair is already fully washed. Tomorrow, that's when I'll get started with my pedicure and my manicure, and then on Saturday, that's when I'll actually be getting my hair done and, you know, getting dolled up and looking cute. That is mandatory for me to always look good. I hope you all enjoy this video. I'm sorry if I'm like looking everywhere. It's just, you know, when you out in public, you gotta watch your surroundings. Right now I'm sitting in the parking lot. I do have a few stores to go to. I have to pick up some water for the house and also a little more items. So yes, after I'm done doing that, I will head back home. I have a few more stuff to do before I get my hair taken out. So yes, you all will see. Just sit back, enjoy, grab your snacks, and watch me, YOUU TV.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, let go. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap, you know the thing, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, you right around to talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I didn't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit had you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet with the nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. Talking about it, can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild, take me for a ride, show me your outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy, pull up and tell me, babe. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. You know with them bucks and maybes. Don't be caught up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Ain't a hold up on that shit I hate waiting. So shots in the patient. This type shit had you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet with the nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too walking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild.
Turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair.
Y'all trying to make me act nasty. Y'all trying to make me act nasty. Let me stop. Let me stop.
Come take me out this move there. I be waiting on you some more. You ready to down low like walk, shut up. And I'ma turn around and tell all my friends. You got that fire. Bombs to red boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta speak to the person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get.
Alright, Dio gang, this concludes the very end of my beauty maintenance video. As y'all can tell, I was feeling myself and I look good. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Bye.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers.